Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I hope you'll enjoy what I'm doing. If you remember last time I was making this easy cover. I didn't quite finish, but this is how it looks now. I put lace all the way around. I put this ribbon on for closure, and I made some stitching all the way through, and I used one of my little clusters here just to make it a bit more pretty. So this is basically like the covers I made for the journals that I have tutorial for. I can link that up here, but this time I will bind the signature into the journal instead of having a loose cover like I had in one of my tutorials. So I have already prepared the signature because I have a tutorial for that, so it's no need to do that again. I've marked the middle, so I will see how this goes. This is the first time I'm doing this, so it could be good or it could be not so good. Yeah. So I have these fabric strips that I thought of using. So let's just try, see how it goes. So first I'll put it on the book page. Make sure it's lined up with the back of the signature. And I think I'll do it on the other side as well. Because then it should be just easy to attach it to the cover. That's my theory anyway. So let's see if that works. Yep, right there. I'm not worried about getting glue all the way out. I can sort that later if it's necessary. As long as it's attached and I can put glue on here. And on the other side. So the moment of truth. Just making sure it's the right side up. Like this. And it should be easy enough to place right in the middle according to my markings. There we go. And again, as you can see, this signature is, I'll show you. See? Yeah, I think that's working. Mixture of book pages. Here I put an envelope, paper bag. Here I glued a book page and some music sheet together to make it longer. Junk mail. Another book page. I also glued to another book page. And paper doily. Another book page. Tea-dyed copy paper. Book page again. And music sheets. Oh, let's see how it looks on this side. Yeah, I think that works. So if you have followed the first tutorial I made, you can see this is so easy to make. If your pages are sticking out, you can always sort that later. Cut them down a little bit. I can see I need to do that here, but I'll sort that bit later. And there we go. Something like that. Yeah, that's basically it. Very easy. And if you want to make a present for someone you know who's interested in junk journals, then this is an easy beginner journal. I can't imagine anyone who wouldn't be impressed if you gave them this, if they're interested in journaling, of course. So yeah, just short, sweet from me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.